Looking for something fragrant to make that everyone can enjoy this holiday season? Hey Fragrance fam, I'm Caitlin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own shower steamers. They're a great alternative to bath bombs for customers who don't have a bath or prefer to shower instead. Pair them with our version of White Barn's Mahogany Balsam fragrance for a product that'll fit perfectly into your seasonal product line or just make a great gift. If you've made bath bombs before, these will be super easy for you to put together. With any fizzy recipe, you'll need 2 parts baking soda and 1 part citric acid. Strain them into a large mixing bowl to get any clumps out and whisk together to combine. Add in kaolin clay and cream of tartar, which will make the steamers more sturdy and last longer. Whisk again so the mixture is uniform and set the bowl aside. Now you'll prepare the wet ingredients. You'll need some polysorbate 80, which will make sure the shower steamers don't leave an oily residue on the shower floor. Add in some witch hazel and stir well before finishing off with some fragrance. These steamers work by releasing fragrance into the warm, humid air in the shower so the user can enjoy it without having to fill a tub to take a bath. This makes fragrances like our version of White Barn's Mahogany Balsam perfect for this project. It's refreshing, clean, and comforting. Fragrances with notes of menthol or eucalyptus are also great options, especially when your sinuses are feeling a little stuffy. After mixing the wet ingredients together, they'll thicken up a bit. If you still see opaque streaks throughout the mixture, make sure to stir them together a bit more to ensure everything is uniform before adding in the dry ingredients. When you're all set to combine, pop on some gloves and add the mixture together in a large bowl. Use your hands to fold everything together until it feels like wet sand. It may begin to rise because of the witch hazel, but it shouldn't activate as long as you continue to work it together. When you can squeeze a clump together in your hand, it's ready to mold. Flat bath bombs or silicone molds are the best for making steamers so they don't roll all over your shower floor. I grabbed these tree-shaped molds because they match the fragrance and make for a perfect addition to some holiday gift baskets that I'm making this year. Grab a handful of the mixture and press it flat into the mold. I find it helpful to press it down in a circular motion with my palm to really pack it into the little nooks and crannies of the mold. The firmer it's packed, the better. When you've used all the mix, let the steamers harden for at least 24 hours in a cool, dry room. When they're firm to the touch with no residual moisture, carefully press them out of the molds from the bottom up and lay them on a cooling rack so any residual moisture can evaporate. After a day of letting them dry, they can be packaged up or enjoyed. To use one, just place it on your shower floor and let the water hit it so it can activate. It'll fizz and gently waft a fragrant steam into the air that you can take in while you shower. Let us know if you offer bath bombs or shower steamers in your line and which fragrance you think are the best for them. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the AFI Project Lab today. Give our version of Mahogany Balsam a try if you like warm, woody fragrances. I'll be back with our next featured fragrance real soon. See you later, fragrance fam. Bye.